Okay. So, we are discussing division of polynomials topic, right? So, in the last video, we have discussed two topics, two questions, example problems. Okay, that is in your textbook only. Division of polynomials. You have got the clear picture of polynomials topic. So now we have to divide the polynomials. For that, we have one picture here. So the question is, find the remainder obtained on dividing p of x is equal to x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. The question is like this. So listen carefully. Find the remainder. So we have to find the remainder in this part. Obtained on dividing. Divide madodrinda. P of x is equal to x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. Here, whatever you are seeing, no, P of x, this is dividend. Okay, this x cube plus 1 is dividend and divisor is x plus 1. Divisor is x plus 1. If you want the clarification, first I'll explain by this sheet. Okay, then afterwards I'll stop sharing that. I'll explain on the board, same problem. Okay, so then you will get the clear picture of the problem. So now I'll explain using this sheet only. So find the remainder obtained on dividing p of x is equal to x cube plus 1 by x plus 1 by long division. We are taking this one as long division. So you just observe the first step. X cube plus 1 here we have to write. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ರೆಡಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೋಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬಿಗಿನರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸನ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆಲಾ? ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ x cube plus 1 here divided by x plus 1. Divisor here we have to write. Yesterday we discussed, no? So how to find out the quotient part? So how to find out this quotient part? So first what we have to take this x cube. Dividend first term is x cube. That is divided by zoom ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Okay, zoom ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ x cube, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x cube ಇದೆ dividend ಅಲ್ಲಿ first term. And divisor ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ. So we have to divide this dividend first term and divisor first term. X cube by x. Here we have worked out in the left side. Okay, x cube by x, which is equal to 1x and 1x get cancelled. X square is remaining. So in the first quotient part we have to write x square. What is the next step? We have to multiply this x plus 1 into this x square. We have to multiply this divisor part into this first quotient term. Okay, x into x square, that is x cube. Okay, next plus into plus only. 1 into x square, that is x square. Now here you can observe x cube, same terms are there. Can we cancel this one? No. So because of the same sign, we cannot cancel. We have to add that one, right? So if we want to cancel that one, what we have to do? We have to apply the sign change rule. What is that sign change rule? For the second expression, we have to change the sign. In the sense, opposite sign. Here in the beginning, x cube, okay, x cube is having plus sign, then opposite sign is minus. Here x square is having minus plus sign, then opposite sign is minus. Okay, now you just observe plus x cube and minus x cube cancelled. Plus x cube ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus x cube ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತದು. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Now you just observe 1 and x square. In the yesterday's video, we have discussed this concept actually. So 1 and x square are unlike terms. Okay, so we cannot subtract this one. So then what we have to do now? We have to receive these unlike terms for the second step as it is. But while receiving, we have to observe the power. So highest power number first we have to receive, then we have to take the next number. So in 1 and x square, which is having the degree, okay, power, highest power, that is x square. So x square is having the negative sign, no? So after sign changing rule, it x square, Okay, it is having negative sign. With that negative sign only you have to receive that one x square. That is minus x square. Then you receive plus 1 as it is. Okay, so minus x square plus 1. Next, second step begins. So now in the second step, in the dividend place, what is there? Minus x square plus 1 is there. So how to decide the second term of the quotient? So second term of the quotient, it will be decided by the division process of the dividend first term and the divisor first term. Here the dividend first term is minus x square, that is divided by, here divisor first term is x, that is 1x cancel, remaining is minus sign as it is. Here 2x are there, no? So x square, x into x is there. Here only 1x is there. X and x get cancelled, remaining is x. Okay, that is minus x. Second term we have to write minus x. Now again same steps we have to continue. This x plus 1 into this minus x, second term of the quotient. X into minus x, that is minus x square. Plus into minus, minus. 1 into x is 1x, that is x only. Again now you just observe here, minus x square, same term alva. So again we have to change the sign, that is minus plus side to minus becomes plus. Here you can strike out this minus x square and plus x square cancelled. Now again you just observe 1 and x are unlike terms. Again we cannot add. Ali plus into plus plus ide, but we cannot apply the addition process because 1 and x are the unlike terms. So as it is, we have to receive this 1 and x for the next step. How we have to receive? First we have to take the highest power. Illi x ಗೆ power 1 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? x to the power of 0 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So x first receive ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ plus x, then plus 1 next step. Now last step this one. So x, illi x plus 1 is in the dividend place now. So dividend first term is x, then divisor first term is x again. X by x is 1, here plus 1. Then x plus 1 into this 1. X into 1 is x, plus into plus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So x plus x, we cannot cancel because of the same sign. So what we have to do, we have to apply the sign change rule. So in the sign change rule, minus minus, plus becomes minus, here also plus becomes minus. Then plus x minus x cancelled. Here we can observe that plus 1 minus 1. After the sign change rule, here we can cancel the second term also. Plus 1 minus 1, that is also 0. What is the remainder now? Remainder is 0. So this is the division of polynomials by long division meeting. Okay. So why many students are leaving the meeting? I don't know actually. So where you are going? Huh? Okay. So this is about the long division process. Just I want to continue with the remainder theorem also. So P of x is equal to, but only we have to, this is one method to find out the remainder. Remainder is 0. Another one simple method we have. What is that method? P of x is equal to x cube plus 1. We have to write like this. P of x is equal to x cube plus 1. Then, so here the divisor is x plus 1. So we have to find out the 0 of this divisor. Okay, 0 of the polynomial x plus 1 is equal to, you can guess the answer alla, x plus 1 anna equated to 0 madre x is equal to minus 1. Or in place of x, if we substitute which number, the total polynomial becomes 0. X plus 1 0 agbeku antandre in place of x we have to substitute minus 1. Then minus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 0. So x value is minus 1. That x is equal to minus 1. We have to substitute in the P of x is equal to x cube plus 1 place. In x cube, x place minus 1 cube plus 1. Minus 1 cube and the answer eno minus 1. Because minus into minus plus, plus into minus again minus, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 only. So minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. See, you just observe. Here also remainder. By the actual division method also you got the remainder 0 only. And using the remainder theorem also you got the remainder 0 only. So what is the difference between these two methods? So in the actual division method, we can find out the quotient and also remainder. But in this method, remainder theorem method, only remainder you can find out. Only remainder you can find out. But both the remainders are same. Okay, na? So in long division and in using remainder theorem method, both the remainders are same. So I want to explain this problem on the blackboard because many students are new for this topic. So board is visible, no? Board is visible. Okay, I'll write the problem. P of x is equal to x cube plus 1, that is divided by, okay, that is another one name I'll take g of x. Divisor I'll take it as g of x. Okay, that is x plus 1. Is it visible, students? Salpa mail aitalla. So let us write in the down. P of x is equal to x cube plus 1. Then g of x divisor is x plus 1. Now I think this is visible. Yes? Okay. So division process. Long division. First I'll explain the long division. I'll stop sharing because... Okay. See, look at the board. P of x we have x cube plus 1. Right now, P of x we have x cube plus 1. Then g of x we have x plus 1. We have to divide using actual division method. So first step we have to take, this is the dividend, that is x cube plus 1. Dividend is x cube plus 1. And divisor is x plus 1. Divisor is x plus 1. Are you observing the question? Okay, let's observe the question carefully. So, we have to divide this one. Now only we discussed, no? Just now we discussed. What is that? X cube plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Here we'll get the quotient part. Here we'll get the quotient. So, terms, we have to decide the terms of the quotient. In each and every step, you will get one term, right? So, how to decide the terms of the division? Board is not visible, I think. Here, can I write here? Yes, this side I write. So, the one side, any left side or right side, you have to work out the terms of the quotient. So, how to decide the terms of the quotient? That is, dividend first term divided by divisor first term. Dividend first term is x cube, that is divided by divisor first term is x. Divisor first term is x. So, this x and 1x get cancelled. What is remaining now? X square is remaining. So, first term of the quotient is x square. First term of the quotient is x square. Now what we have to do? This divisor x plus 1 we have to multiply with the first term of the quotient. X into x square, x cube. X into x square is x cube. 1 into x square, that is x square. Here x cube and x cube both are same term but with the same sign. But if you have same sign, we cannot cancel that terms. Alva? So adana simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು division process ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sign change rule. Sign change ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ plus sign becomes minus, minus ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here we have plus sign, then opposite sign is minus. Here we have plus sign, then here also opposite sign is minus. Now you can observe this plus x cube and minus x cube cancel. In this division process, actually what we are doing andre, each and every step alli highest degree inda ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. highest degree ಇಂದ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. Now you just observe 1 minus x square. Here these two are unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be add, cannot be subtract. So that's why what we have to do is we have to write these two as it is for the next step. But while writing, you have to observe the highest power number should be first. So here the highest power in the sense x square is having the negative sign. Okay na? So minus x square first you take, then plus 1 next step. Is that clear? This is the second step. Now we have entered the second compartment. So now we have to decide the second term of the quotient. So how to decide the second term of the quotient? Here this is now in the dividend step. No, dividend first term is minus x square, that is divided by divisor first term is x. Then 1x and x cancel, minus x. Okay, what is remaining? Minus x. Here the second term is minus x. Now again same step we have to repeat. What is that? Divisor into second term. Quotient second term. Now start x into minus x square, plus into minus 1 into x, 1x in the sense x only. Again same x square. Now we have to delete this x square now, but it is having same sign. So therefore sign change rule. Minus into the plus, then minus becomes plus. Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Then again we are observing the unlike terms. So we cannot add. So that's why we have to receive these two members for the next step as it is with the proper sign. So here x is having plus sign, then 1 is having also plus sign. X plus 1 we have received for the next step. So now in the next step x plus 1 is there. We have to decide the third term of the quotient. So how to decide the third term of the quotient? So that is dividend first term, that is x, divided by divisor first term is also x. X divided by x in the sense term is 1, that is plus 1. Okay, now again multiply this x plus 1 with the third term. X into 1 is x. Okay, plus into plus is plus. 1 ones are 1. Now we are observing x and x are same. 1 and 1 same, but having the same sign. So for that what we have to do? We have to apply that sign change method. So plus x minus x cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, remainder you got 0. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Got the clear picture of the remainder division of polynomials by long division now? So look at the board. So better you watch the yesterday's video. Okay. So and recall these steps, division of polynomials. So now we got the remainder 0. So we got the quotient also. What is the quotient here? X square minus x plus 1 is the quotient. So I told in the beginning, no, there is a verification step. Which one verification step? Dividend, which is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We have to check that one, whether we are right or wrong. So we have got the 0 remainder. We have got the quotient as x square minus x plus 1. So whether our problem is right or wrong, we need the verification part. So can we verify now? So for that again I want to rub the board. You just keep it in your mind. Quotient and remainder and dividend and divisor. Okay. So are you observing here? I'll erase this much part. Remainder is 0. Keep it in your mind. Okay. So can I rub this one also? Dividend is x cube plus 1. Divisor is x plus 1. Quotient is x square minus x plus 1. So we will do like this. Okay, I'll erase because board is very small for the online class. No verification part. For the verification, we have to take the relationship that is dividend, which is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now so this is product, divisor into quotient. This is the verification part. Now in the dividend place, what is there? X cube plus 1 is there. In the dividend place, x cube plus 1. which is equal to, in the divisor place, x plus 1, right? Divisor place is x plus 1. Divisor place is x plus 1. So bracket, because it is a binomial term. Okay, quotient you got x square minus x plus 1. Quotient you got x square minus x plus 1. Quotient x square minus x plus 1. Remainder what you got actually? Remainder you have got 0. Got the clear picture now? So dividend, which is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now a dividend is ready. We cannot do anything for the dividend side. LHS side is already ready because x cube plus 1 unlike terms. So that is the end of the LHS part. But in the RHS part, we can do something. What is that? So multiplication. This x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Here you just observe. Divisor is binomial and quotient is trinomial. Binomial into trinomial we have to do now. So what is that? First let us start with x. First x into this whole bracket. Then plus 1 into this whole bracket. Okay, can we start directly? First I'll start with the x. X into x square. X cube. Then again x again. X into minus x square. Then x into 1, that is x. X term is over. Now let us come for the 1. 1 into x square. 1x square in the sense x square. 1 into minus x. 1 into 1, 1. Then remainder is plus 0 only. Okay, now you just observe x cube plus 1 LHS part. Now come this side. Here some terms we can cancel easily. Minus x square plus x square we can cancel. Plus x minus x we can cancel. Okay, same term with opposite sign. Plus x cube plus 1 plus 0 is remaining. So what is the remaining part now? X cube plus 1 plus 0 you want to write? No, 0. Okay, so x cube plus 1, x cube plus 1. So LHS which is equal to RHS. From this we can give the conclusion that we are right. Alla? Nam problem correct agide. Quotient we have got the right quotient and we have got the perfect remainder. So this is about the actual division method. So for all the problem we have to do this verification part compulsorily. So this is about the actual division method. Now after this actual division method I need only remainder. Okay, fatafat I need only remainder. Then we have to go with the another one method, that is remainder theorem method. What is that remainder theorem method? So remainder theorem method is nothing but, so we have to find out the 0 of the divisor first. That 0 of the divisor we have to substitute in the polynomial. Then you will get the remainder, that is called as remainder theorem method. Okay, so now for the same problem I'll work out that remainder theorem. Okay, so for the same problem. So what is actually P of x here? P of x, dividend is x cube plus 1. So dividend is x cube plus 1. Board kanistilla. Okay, dividend P of x is equal to x cube plus 1. P of x is equal to x cube plus 1. Then divisor is x plus 1. What is the 0 of x plus 1? That is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the 0 of x plus 1. So now what we have to do? We have to substitute in place of x, that is minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube plus 1. P of minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 cube plus 1. So next P of minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 cube andre minus 1 into minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay na? So again into minus 1 minus into plus minus 1 ones are 1. Therefore minus 1 cube ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 only. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಸೈನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ -1 + 1 p of -1 which is equal to -1 + 1 answer is 0. Okay na? So remainder division process allu you have got the remainder 0, and in this remainder theorem method also you have got the answer 0. So in the examination if they have asked for, so just find the remainder, then you can choose this method, remainder theorem method. Or they will ask the question find the quotient and remainder, then you cannot choose this remainder theorem method. So if you want quotient, then you have to choose the actual division method. Sometimes they will ask the question that using remainder theorem method find the remainder, then pakkano remainder theorem in the sense this method only. Clear? Or sometimes they will ask the question on dividing find the remainder. Question nodi, last question we discussed, no, in that you can observe the question pattern on dividing anta helidare. Avaga ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, you have to choose the long division. For the verification part you can observe the remainder theorem method also, then verification is compulsory for the long division method. For the long division method verification is compulsory, but not for the remainder theorem method. Because why we cannot apply verification part remainder theorem method? Because in the remainder theorem method only remainder, okay, we can observe, not quotient. But in the actual division, long division method, we'll get quotient and also remainder. Okay, this is about the division of polynomials. For the better understanding of this concept, you have to watch yesterday's video. Okay, so we'll go back to our sharing part. Okay, see we have finished this one now. Yes, we'll go to another type of few small problem. So that is in your textbook only. So you just observe the problem carefully. Find the remainder when, zoom on. Find the remainder when x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Okay, last 5 minutes is there. We will finish this topic fast. Okay, so find the remainder when x cube plus x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. So they have asked the remainder only. Bari remainder ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In the sense we have to choose the remainder method alla. So here write the polynomial in the standard form, that is p of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. They have given the just polynomial. You have to write it in the standard form, that is polynomial of variable x is equal to. Okay, now divisor is x minus 1. You have to find the 0 of that x minus 1. X minus 1 na 0 ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, plus 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Now substitute x as 1. P of 1 is equal to 1. LL x idu ella kade substitute 1. 1 raised to 4 plus 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So here after the simplification you will get the remainder as 2. Clear, no? This is about the remainder theorem method. Now we'll go to the last problem of this class. Check whether the polynomial q of t is equal to 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1 is a multiple of 2t plus 1. Check whether the polynomial, this is a different type of question. Okay, whether the polynomial, some polynomial q of t polynomial ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so some students are asking the doubt that ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ q ಅಥವಾ s ಅಥವಾ ಏನೇನೋ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ polynomial of x variable. ಹೌದು, ಸೊ polynomial of x variable ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎನಿ ಲೆಟರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಟರ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಸೊ ದಾಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. So q of t, this one is a multiple of 2t plus 1. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ 0. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ 6 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 2 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 6 ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ q of t is a multiple of this 2t plus 1. Now you just check, okay, q of t will be multiple of 2t plus 1 only if 2t plus 1 divides q of t. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಂತ 2t plus 1 q of t ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ 2t plus 1 ಅನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 0 ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಡಿವೈಸರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ t is equal to -1/2. Substitute that t is equal to -1/2 in q of t. So there you will get 4 into -1/2 whole cube plus 4 into -1/2 whole square minus of -1/2 -1. Then after simplification, I think you will get the clear picture of this simplification and all. So after simplification, you can observe that all the terms get cancelled, in the sense remainder is 0. So 2t plus 1, here the divisor 2t plus 1 is a factor of this q of t or multiple. Factor or multiple, both term we can use. Okay na, factor agidru remainder ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 0, multiples ಅಂದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So that is remainder is 0. This is about the division of polynomials. So first you do one thing after the online class. After this class, I think Kannada class is there. So after finishing that class, you just watch the video properly. Okay, then you connect that video for this today's online class. Then we will discuss whatever doubts we are having, that is on the next class. Okay, so stop sharing. Yes, unmute. Okay. Is anybody is having doubts? Fast.